guys, I'm gonna show my saves in Melon Sandbox. So let guys play Melon Sandbox and let me wait for the loading. Waiting for the loading. Domer drops his donut. Domer eats his soda. Wait. Domer spills his soda. Yo, hurry up. Today I'm gonna test the Terminator 3. My new build Storm Chaser vehicle. It's let's today. Oh my god, this loading screen. Finally loaded. Anyways, let's go and do it. Come on, just please load. Thank God. Okay, just what are you doing, bro? What? Things so quickly, guys. Okay, anyways, now let's try. I'm gonna intercept a tornado using my Terminator 4. Where's that thing again? Well, actually, I have to spawn it. Okay, let me spawn it real quickly, guys. So this will just gonna be a short video because I'm just gonna show you how does my Storm Chaser vehicle deploys and performs. So this is oh shoot.
Bro is homeless sa gawas ng
So this is my Terminator 4. Ignore the background noise. That's just my brother and sister. Up, side flap and front flap and then right with the and then Gadukay kita YouTube channel. Anyways, ignore the background noise, guys. It's just my brother and sister. Ignore them. Ignore them. Oh no. Anyways, there now. It's now fully deployed. Oh, it's not still not yet. Stabilizer. So okay. And then let's go. Then practice. I'm gonna wait there for a minute. Let's very good. Right. Okay, now let's undeploy. Then this, then this, then this, then this, then the last. That's all. Bye bye.